Minimize that. Wait for the cavalry to come in. Share this junk. Yes, sir. Uh-oh, they waiting in the club. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Philly in the building.
Good, big homie.
Darius in the club. What's happening? Ebony Brown, like a new name. How are you? Welcome to the club. To the Pip Club.
Yeah. Ebony New. Ebony New.
Hi.
Ebony New.
New today.
Okay. Hold on. Why I can't hear nothing? Oh, okay. There we go. Damn, I couldn't hear shit. Brent. Shout out to Brent. Hold on, y'all. Let me get some tunes popping real quick. I appreciate y'all jumping on tonight, man. We ain't gonna go too crazy tonight. I'm gonna tailor this to y'all. What y'all need help with? We got 6. I'm gonna start at like 10:05 for real. Cordarius, meet or read a game. What's happening?
What's going on, bro?
How you doing, boss?
I'm good.
That's what it is, man. That's what it is. Hey, yo, Philly, you in Charlotte? Could. We got a link, bro.
Oh yeah, got to for sure.
ASAP.
Yep, let's do that, man. Holla at me.
All right, bet. We're gonna make something shake for real, for real.
For sure.
Philly, what's happening, bro?
Johnson.
Who that right there?
That's that Fox right there.
Oh, there you go. Agent Fox.
The Fox right there.
What's good? Oh, happy belated birthday.
Yeah.
Say to you. Yes, sir.
I appreciate it.
Kamaria, welcome to the club. Lady T in the building. Raven. Okay, yeah, y'all is shaking. Hold on. Let me turn some tunes on. A second. Hold on. I want to play. I was playing D'Angelo earlier. I don't know if y'all want to hear that. We had 2 launch calls earlier, and I was getting my R&B bag crazy.
This man was on his neo soul.
Bro, straight up 96. Straight 96, 97 neo soul. Straight up, bro. All right, man, but
any ladies in here?
see, it was mostly girls on that call. It wasn't really no dudes. It was just me and Paris, so I could throw that on.
It was a sexual chocolate.
Yeah, man. You know, little
late
brown
night
sugar.
wealth session.
Little brown sugar. You know what I'm saying? Little brown sugar launch.
We like to call it soul men.
Yeah, that's
used
it.
to be on Power 98, my man. The Quiet Storm.
The Quiet Storm.
There he is.
Consuelo. Remember Consuelo back in the day with the Quiet Storm? Bro, it used to be lit after midnight.
Man.
Oh, I'm light skinned, bro. You know I feel it. I'm light skinned, bro. You know I'm rocking. I love all that.
Wow.
Straight up. But let me see. We got 9 people, man. I'm gonna go ahead and just get this thing started, man. I appreciate you guys taking the time from y'all busy lives to jump on with me so we can get this. I can help you guys out with anything that you guys need trading related. I always start out my trade training, so I know it's probably gonna be like 5 or 6 more people to come on late, so we're gonna go ahead and start it. What is anybody on here struggling with trade wise?
AJ,
what's going on?
Facebook Live.
My guy. See, that's why you need good people on your team, y'all. This is the joy I have with this business. It's connecting me with a genius like Harris, man. Hold on. Let me get right. 1 second. But nah, y'all can unmute y'all mic. Like if y'all have a question, I want to you know, what is anybody on here struggling with? Or do you have any questions, or do you guys have any pairs you want me to look over because you guys are gonna be trading tonight? Like, see. Say something.
For me, I want to like, as far as like my risk to reward, I want to have a consistent like win percentage, which I know is a lot to ask for, but
Okay.
I want to have like at least like, you know, a 30 pip take profit, maybe a 10, 15 pip stop loss. So I, you know, because you can't really be profitable if you're doing a bunch of huge stop losses and your take profits. It's really not that much.
Right. All right,
So
hold on. Let's go live. Yeah, it's setting up. I'm about to get right with you, Quadarius. Hold on 1 second. Hold on. I got some people waiting in line. Oh, I got people waiting in line. Hold on, y'all. Who I just let in? Shout out to Alyssa, just came in the club. Cordo just came in the club. Chanel just came in the club. My girl Ariel just came in the club. Oh, she ain't in the club yet. Hold on, let me let her in. Yeah, I bet. This stream. Yeah, I'm live. All right, cool. Cordarius, you said you trying to improve with your risk to reward.
right.
Got you. Okay, let me share my screen real quick. Let's go to GJ.
Man, that thing shot up today, didn't it?
Come on now. Yeah. Yeah, I'm waiting on the retest on the lower time frame to get in. It's gonna come down. This is gonna continue to go up. That's just what it is.
Did you catch it today?
I didn't get to catch it. I was hot, bro. I was
Bro,
hot. Oh, I was hot, bro.
I was like inches away from catching that.
Oh man, I was so hot. Hold on. Why is it not letting her come in? Anyway, I don't know. Okay, Ariel's in the club now. Shout out to Ariel. So yeah, bro. Risk to reward. So ask me that one more time, because Darius, like, what are you struggling with that?
Basically, like, sometimes, you know, you don't want to get out the trade because you think it's going to turn around. And
Right.
sometimes it does, sometimes it don't.
Right.
But do you just, like, have a way of knowing it's going to turn around? Or do you know when you're being manipulated? Or do you just cut your losses all the time and just go to the next trade?
Got you. I'm gonna be real, bro. Like, and I was talking about this a little bit. Tonight. Can y'all see me on my screen?
Just you.
All right, cool. I was talking about this a little bit tonight. We had launch calls with some of the people in our organization. I think, bro, as long as like you use proper risk management, like that'll because are you cutting like trades early?
It depends. Like, sometimes I'll cut it off at like maybe 10, 15 pips, and then it turns around and goes, you know, like the GJ today. Well, the GJ kind of put me in like 30 pips drawdown, and I cut it, you know, but it went up.
Yeah. So you traded the breakout.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, bro, I'm gonna keep it real with you. Y'all know I always teach no retest, no entry. Like if you don't get no retest, you know I teach that every Thursday. AJ said the same thing. So I was so tempted, bro, to jump in. I was so tempted because I'm gonna share my screen. I'm gonna show you. Like, y'all know what I say. The higher the time frame, the truer the trend, right? Bro, look, man, I seen this candle right here, bro. This candle right here. I said, oh, bro, GJ about to be going up for a while. Like when I saw this candle, I was like, oh yeah, we lit. That's like a huge engulfing. Like this gonna keep going. And then matter of fact, I don't even think I saw it on this time frame, Cordes. I think I saw it on the 1 hour. Yeah, it was this one. It was this one.
Yeah.
Bro, and I saw this 1 hour candle, bro. This bullish variation right here. I said, oh yeah, bro. Yeah, this a buy. Like this shit gone. I seen this as soon as it's closed. And in my head, I'm like, man, like I want to really jump in now.
I almost caught the wick of it.
Down here?
Yeah.
Hold on. Let me see. Let me show y'all something.
I just entered like way too early. I should have waited like one more touch at the bottom of that RSI on the minute. That would have been good.
But at the same time, bro, like, yeah, I feel you because it broke structure on the M15 when it broke that area, right? So new people, if you ain't never heard me, this your first. If this your first week with me, drop a 1 in the chat. This your first time ever hearing AJ speak. Drop a 1 in the chat. So everybody on here that been on, okay, there we go. I don't want to mess your name up. I done seen your name in the group before. I think your last name is Hall. And you can unmute your mic and tell me if I'm right. I know you can type it. Brent, the second time I bet. You could have gotten at the bottom, Cordarius. Like, I'm gonna try to is your name Asen? I don't want to mess nobody's name up. Aseneth? How do you say your name? I want to call on you.
Aseneth.
Aseneth? You kind of breaking up a little bit. Aseneth?
Yeah.
Okay, your last name's Hall, right?
Mm-hmm.
Cool. All right, cool. So I know you new, so understand that I'm gonna show you two brief. I'm gonna try to teach Miss Hall and answer Cordarius' question at the same time. This right here is basic downtrend structure, right? So this is a high, this is a low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. This is basic downtrend structure. Can't have a downtrend without it, right? This whole time on the M15, price was doing that, right? Y'all see high, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, higher low, but low highs are still being maintained. So you boom, got lower high drop, lower low. Price breaks this area over here, right? Now you got a higher high. Price has all of this room to retest. And as long as it doesn't break this area down here, I'm gonna draw a line. As long as price doesn't break this area down here, you're still good for a buy. And what did price do? This is the last support area. Price pulled up, made a higher high, pulled down, equal low. And you got a bullish. What kind of candle y'all got down here, man? For those who know, what kind of candle was this? I'm gonna box it in.
Bullish engulfing.
Come on now. So yeah, Cordarius, like you could have got in like right here. That's just on the M15. I don't know what it look like on the 5. Cause I really like love the 15.
I was on the 1 minute.
Oh yeah, so you super lit. So let me see what they look like on the 1 minute. Yeah, you was
Could
gonna
that been some imbalance right there?
Oh, let me see where you at on the 1 minute. Hold on, man. 1 minute. Let me see what the alligator's saying. Oh yeah, bro. I feel you. Cause me, I would have waited for my cross to happen. You know how I'm rocking with the alligator. I would have waited for my green and my pink and my blue if I was down here, and I would have bought it. Cause that's what made up the 15 minute. That little push right there, that's what made up the 15-minute time frame.
Right.
And so knowing that you in the uptrend, you would have felt better. Like I wouldn't have took it on the 1 minute, but I can see how you would have, right? Let me see. Yeah, on the 5 minute. Oh my God, bro. I'm so mad I missed this today. Shout out to all the new people that just walked in the club too. Yeah, bro, you gotta double bottom. Hold on 1 second. Boom. Yeah. All of this was a support area. So once price came down and retested down here, you knew you could buy it and just put your stop loss below here. And really what you could do is put your stop loss down here and just ride that joint up. Like I would ride me if I would have got in down here, I would have rolled the whole alligator. Like that GBP JPY signal I called the other day, I held there for like a day and a half. Caught like 75 pips, bro. I was hoping it was gonna hit TP3, but it started retracing. But
that thing shut up like crazy.
Yeah, bro. But it's overall an uptrend. What I would say as far as your risk to reward too, bro. Let me show you real quick. That's what I was trying to get to. I got sidetracked. Let me get some of this off. So that's why you gotta wait for retest. I was actually gonna drop a signal for GJ today for the buy, but it was too high, and it didn't make sense for me to give y'all a signal. And the risk to reward ratio was retarded. Like no offense to anybody, but that was just like that. It wasn't gonna go with how I trade, and the risk to reward was like it was like a 90 pip stop loss, and that's crazy. I ain't doing that, right? So like if I ain't get in here, cause look, bro, if I get in on the engulfing, if y'all don't know, there are tools. There's a risk to reward tool on TradingView. All you gotta do is come over here to the side, go down to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the 7th column. If you want to calculate your risk to reward for buys, you're gonna use the long position tool. If you want to calculate your risk to reward for sales, you're gonna use the short position, right? So in this case, let's say I wanted to buy based on the 30, because I like trading the M30 sometimes. Let's say AJ wouldn't get in this. I know I'm in an uptrend. I got a double bottom, right? Price went up, came down here, tested this area, price went up. It broke an M15 structure. That's what this blue line is for. This is a higher high on the M15. It came down and it retested the same area. As soon as this bullish candle, this blue candle. So I got my retest, right? If I'm buying, I want to buy low. This is an equal low. This is a double bottom, right? As soon as this engulfing candle closed, bro, we buying this, and probably my alligator gonna curve up above my pink and my blue. My green gonna cross above my pink and my blue, and that's double confirmation. I got a bullish engulfing. I already know I'm in an uptrend on GJ, and I got alligator cross. All right, let's get it. So what I would do is I would be entering right here. And I would probably put my stop 5 pips below this wick. So that'd probably be 138.55. And then, bro, to get my take profit, honestly, I would just go back to the 4 hour where I came from. This is how I trade. I'm literally telling you how I trade. I know everybody don't like to wait like me, but I'll wait for 80 to 100 pips. I ain't got no problem doing that. Damn it. Hold on, y'all. Pull my whole. Okay, here we go. I would put my target up here, and I would use the 4 hour resistance as my target.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? So it wouldn't be that high. I'll put it right here. Like I put it probably like right here. So now my risk to reward is 3 to 1. It's 3.3 to 1. I'll risk 27 pips to get 90. Straight up. Now you're gonna have to have some patience now. But I'm just letting y'all know this kind of move ain't for the weary. You know what I'm saying? But it gives you a better risk to reward situation. 3-to-1, bro. A valid trade setup is 1-to-1. Like that's not ideal, but that's valid. Anything less than 1-to-1, it's like it ain't worth it, bro. Like it ain't worth it. So if you using this tool to help you find like your risk to reward, and then you using proper risk management, y'all remind me. Profit message me, you guys, when we get done. I don't know if everybody downloaded the app that I put in the Trade Talk group like a week ago. There's an app that I use to help me figure out my lot size based on risk management. The app is called, I don't know how to pronounce it yet. It's called Stinu or something. It's STINU. And pretty much you can go on there. You can tell the app, okay, this is the amount of my account percentage-wise that I want to risk, right? You can put in your stop loss. So right here, we can put in 27, right? 27 pip stop loss. If I want to only, like, I'm gonna do it right now. So let's say, I know y'all can't see me right now. I'm gonna unshare my screen here in a second. So I'm gonna use a small number. Let's say my account balance is $100. I wanted to be aggressive. Let's say I wanted to risk 10% of my account, right? That's high too, by the way. I ain't saying to do that at all. But let's say you risk 10% of your account because you want the bag, right? 27 pip stop loss. And then it allows you to select your currency pair. So we're using GBP/JPY. Yep, that's how you spell it, Khalil. Stenu. Yep. It's an app in your app store. That's the exact one. So it allows you to put in the currency pair, right? let me unshare my screen. I'm gonna show you on my phone. Stop share. Boom. Can y'all see my phone? Oh, I got this bright light right here. Y'all probably can't see it, but it gives you like the lot size based on the stop loss after you put all the information in. So right now, if I was going risk 10% of my account and I had a 27 pip stop loss on GJ, it's telling you, all right, bro, put in a 0.03. No higher than a 0.04 because they got the extra digit at the end. You can round it up if you want to take that extra risk on, but I will put in a 0.03, right? Now, if you put in a 0.03 and y'all already see, let me share my screen again. Y'all already see we aiming for 90 pips. 0.03 times 90, that's 30 cents times 90, $30. And you only risking, let me do the math, hold on. 0.30 times 90, yeah, it's $27. So you looking to get $27, but you only risking wait, no, that's not right. $8. I mean, that's a good setup. If I can hold this trade for my target, and that's just on a smaller scale. If you got a bigger account or whatever, those numbers go up. So if this was $1,000, you're risking $80 to gain $270. And this only took, how long did this move take?
Like an hour or two.
Come on, man. Bro, what? 3 hours, bro? Cade. So if you got $1,000 account to make $270 in 2 hours, bro, you made $135 an hour, and you only risk 10% of your account, so you ain't even really tripping. I had to take a sip on that. Y'all ain't see me. I just had to take a sip of my drink. That's crazy. Like that. When you say it like that, that's comfortable trading though. It's like, all right, boom. Let's say the account was 1,000, bro. I risk 80. I ain't giving nobody no risk management advice either. I'm just saying, like AJ risks 10% now, but I'm years in. I'm 3 years in. So if I was first starting out, that number might be 5%. Because the way I look at it, if I'm risking 5% of my account I gotta really dead ass be wrong 20 times in a row to blow it. That ain't gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. I ain't even gonna be wrong five times in a row. So it's like, if y'all understand the power of compounding, then there ain't no way you can lose. People lose and they try to rush the process. That's it. This game, this trading game, I'm going on a rant low key, but this trading game is about like compounding, and like it's 90% psychological. It's only 10% technical. Like it's only 10% technical. The technical part, as a person that's been working on technical analysis for 3 years, that's the easy part. Because y'all are going to be great at technicals if you stick around long enough. Y'all going to be great at knowing structure and knowing the trend and knowing support and resistance and engulfing candles and all that, harmonics, boom, bam, bam. Y'all going to be great at all of that. But it becomes the game, you hit the next level when it's not about technicals no more. It's about your mental, because that's 90% of it. So if you can help your psychology by using proper risk management, because that's really what made people emotional. Oh, I put in that 0.5 on that $200 account because I'm trying to hurry up and I need them shoes this weekend. You know what I'm saying? I put that 0.5 in, I got 150 in my account because I'm trying to catch this $300 move. Hold on, bro, you got $150 in your account. You doing a 0.5? I hope you're right. I hope you're right.
Tripping.
Bro, I hope you're right, because this is the thing. What can happen is, like, I trade GBP. So what can happen is you put a 0.5 in because you're trying to come up. And this, I'm just using, I know people that'll do this. Like, I know aggressive traders. You put that 0.5 in on 150 and you catch 20 pips of drawdown, but it ain't hit your stop loss yet. But you down $100 and you got $150 in your account. What you do? And I'm telling y'all this because I done been there. Like, hold on, bro. I'm down 100. So I got $50 in equity right now. And if this joint go down 10 more pips, my account, actually, if this joint go down about 7 or 8 more pips, my account belongs. So you go ahead and close out early because you lost $100. And it hit you couldn't withstand that move because you didn't use the proper risk. And what happens after that? Oh, it shoot up. It shoot up 60, 70 pips. So that could have been, let's just say you only used the 0.2. That could have been $120, $140. If you'd have just decreased your lot size, you wanted to go for the jugular because you seen such and such on Instagram and on Telegram, they made a 1K today. You like, hold on, bro, I need that. Bro, relax. If y'all go really look at them compounded spreadsheets, like me and Paris have been talking about this all week. If y'all really go look at those compounded spreadsheets, like, bro, if you just steadily build your account up, $1,000 days is regular. That's regular, bro.
Facts.
The thing about it is most people come in here and they start out with a small account, which is cool, right? $100, $50, $20, and you trying to go get 2-3K because you've seen that everywhere. You've seen it everywhere. You see that on Telegram. You see that on Instagram. You see that on Facebook. If you follow them, y'all in Forex now, so I know y'all probably seeing a lot more Forex content. You seeing them profits? You like, yeah, I need that. I need that Gucci bag. That's gonna buy me that Gucci bag. That's gonna buy me that Yves Saint Laurent. Relax. That's gonna come. That's my rant on risk management. I'm gonna give y'all one risk management rant a week. Well, back to the business. Does anybody have any more questions? I went on a rant. Does anybody have any questions? Anybody struggling with anything? I got 18 people on the call. I know somebody got something for me. Any pairs you want me to look at? I didn't come
What's
with
going on with the CAD JPY, man? It's like it want to go up, but it don't.
CAD JPY. Okay, let me just say this first. To the new people, when we get done, can you guys remind me privately on Telegram? If y'all don't have my three June trade trainers that I did, private message me on YouTube. Private message me on Telegram so I can get y'all my YouTube videos. because that's going to kind of break down what I'm looking at before I enter the market. That's going to take, I'm gonna take y'all from point A to point B to point C, right? So if y'all don't have those videos, holla at me and I'll send those to you. Because I know this is kind of going to be kind of advanced because I don't really have a curriculum tonight, so I don't want y'all to be super lost. But if y'all go watch those videos, what I'm saying when I'm breaking this stuff down, it'll make more sense. Corderi, hold on. Wait a minute. Bet. CAD JPY. Let's see. Let me share my screen. Drop a 1 in the chat if you can see my screen. What did I do with that? Bruh. Hold on. Did I remove CAD JPY from my watch? Damn, did I get mad at her? Hold on 1 second, y'all. I kicked her out. Why'd I do that? She was consolidating crazy yesterday. Oh. All right, I'm not gonna play with this. Let's just do it like this. CAD JPY. Bet. All right. CAD, what you thinking, Cordarius?
I would want to take it up to that resistance point.
All right, I'm gonna keep it real, man. I'm kind of, now that I look at this, man. So, cause I called the signal on this a couple of days ago, in the signal drip chat, and it still hasn't hit my stop loss. I told everybody to close it, cause I think when I told y'all to close it, it was like 2 pips in profit. If you kept it open, it never hit the stop loss to this day. Let me see. Yeah, it's been playing. Cause I entered. Let me clear all this out. And for those who are new, I come to the 4 hour first before I do anything. Y'all will see how I do that when I give y'all the YouTube videos. I saw that you posted that in the trade talk group. That's what's up though. To be new and to keep that trade open is hella discipline. That's really good. But I come to the 4 hour. It's obviously like, for those who know, this is an uptrend. 4 hour, right? So the reason I love the 4 hour, new people, is because it gives you the truer trajectory of the market, right? It really tells you. This is where I come to analyze, because it really tells you what the market is trying to do, right? So let's see, make these a little bit bolder. Let's make that a little bit bolder. So yeah, we're making higher highs and higher lows right here, right? Boom, low, high. Found support right here, higher low, boom, broke resistance, higher high, boom, retest the higher low. So this was the actual candle that made me call that signal. Now I'm gonna ask for some interaction. Why did I call a buy after that candle? And what kind of candle was that?
Bullish engulfing.
Bullish engulfing. So at that moment, I'm like, all right, this should push up. And I still feel like it's gonna push up. It's just been consolidating. And a lot of times price will consolidate before it takes off. 1 second. So since I know that, like, I knew I was in the uptrend when price broke resistance. I was just waiting on the higher low to take it to the resistance. So Cordarius, yeah, overall, I'm thinking 81. I'm thinking that price can at least get to 80.95 long term. I'm really anxious to see how this is gonna close though. and my alligator is flat. So this is ugly. So I would come down here to see what the lower time frames are doing. And if y'all look, this is ugly. This is why I got out. This is consolidation. But at the same token, it's still valid if you were to buy it, because get my art game popping for y'all. Boom, higher high, higher low. This is hideous, man. Oh my God. It kind of gave you lower, it kind of gave you like downtrend structure right here, because it broke down here and gave you a lower low, then gave you a lower high based on that. Then broke to a lower low, right? But then you knew it was consolidated because it broke this, and then it broke up, got your high. So it's like, what's the direction right now? So this kind of stuff, when price start doing this, I kind of like will cut. Like if I'm up 2-3 pips and I see something like this, I just cut. I just take my 2-3 pips and go on about my business. So if I'm down 3-4 pips, it is what it is. Like right now, I'm still looking to buy CAD JPY, but I need to see this happen. Hold on 1 second. I need to see this happen first. So now hold on, let me get all this out. This is unnecessary. Now I come to the M30 first for entry purposes, you guys. I know y'all like that. He ain't on the 30. So I need to see either, I'm looking for two things. Either I want to see this area up here get broken and then retest it so I can buy it, or if I get if I get like a super bullish candle, like if this blue candle just busts up real quick and close as a bullish engulfing, which I don't think it will because the candle before was super bearish, I would buy it then because that would be the higher low I'm looking for. This was the last low on this time frame. Price is retracing down here, right? But if I get like a bullish candle right here, and then that's going to make my alligator cross above, I'll buy it. But other than that, though, this is hideous. Like I need to see a break in the retest because there's a lot of consolidation going on, and y'all will get better at spotting that the longer you guys are like trading and marking up charts. Like a lot of times you get hit with the consolidation wave, you don't even know what's happening. Like you don't even know like you trading inside of consolidation right now. Like I don't know if anybody in here has ever had the feeling of, oh, it's going up. Oh shit, that shit going down. Oh, it's going up. Oh, it's going down. Like anytime it's doing that, that means you're in consolidation. That's all it means. That means you need to wait for a clear direction to happen. You need to wait for a clear break and a retest and jump in. But anytime like this right here can confuse people. All this right here, this ain't the move, man. What is this? What trend are we in? We're not in the trend, so you shouldn't be trading. This is nasty. Like, so even if you see this happen, even if you trading on this time frame and you see this happen, oh, you like, oh, it broke. Let's sell it. Okay, no problem. Hit me up later. You see this breakdown, you like, oh, sell it. The reason you wait for the retest, bro, is because you don't know what's gonna happen. The retest is your confirmation that this is the trend. The retest is just a confirmation. So you would have had to see, okay, your price broke support. Okay, I need to see a lower high point happen. And I know it's a lower high because price will make a bullish candle and then it'll make a bearish engulfing candle. Now I can sell it. Price ain't do that. Price made a lower low, and then it broke the high point. So now you hot. You got in right here after this broke, and you got 5, 6, 7, 8 pips in profit, and then price shot up 30 pips. Wait for the retest. But as far as cat JPY go right now, I ain't messing with it. What I'm looking for right now is either GBP JPY to come down and finally give me a higher low somewhere. Like, this is too high right now. And I feel like this is going to be a sell. Like on the 5 minute, let me see what it's like on the 5 minute. Yeah, it's consolidating on the 5 minute. So GJ probably gonna drop. I'm not gonna get in on the sale because I know I'm in an uptrend. 4 hour. The 4 hour is telling me that GBP JPY is a bullish pair. That's what the 4 hour is telling me. Overall, we are bullish on GJ. That's what the banks, they trade the bigger time frames. They trading I don't trade the daily, but they gonna trade the daily and the weekly and all that. I don't do that. I get my analysis from the 4 hour and bust it down to the entry time frames, the 30, the 15, the 5. But right here, this is too high. Price broke resistance right here, and it hasn't given me a retest yet, so I can't get in for a buy. It don't make sense. Right? So I'm waiting for this to retest so I can buy it up. And then on Euro USD, I was looking at that earlier. Just giving y'all some stuff to look out for tonight too. Is somebody trying to talk right now?
I have a question.
Who is that?
I have a question.
Is that Alyssa? Is that Alyssa Reeves?
Yes, it is.
Okay, what's good?
So are you holding, because it sounds like you've been holding your trades longer.
Yep.
Lately. Is that because of the alligator?
Yep.
Okay. That makes sense.
Yep. So like GJ, let's bust that down real quick. Let's bust down that signal that I called earlier in this week. Let's go inside the psychology of what AJ be looking for, right? So on GJ, I'm gonna take the alligator off. I'm putting him back in the cage real quick. Just me knowing market structure. Let's put it right here. I don't use a whole bunch of lines on my chart, first and foremost. That's just me though. Everybody got their own method, but I like my stuff to be clean, right? So this is all I need. This area right here, all I need. This is my last resistance area. Draw the resistance line at the medium area of the wicks, right? I know that this was my last higher low. Boom, higher high, higher low. I shouldn't pull this up. Price bust through resistance. This was your resistance area. Matter of fact, let me draw a box. I know some people like boxes. I was doing a one-on-one with somebody and they say they like boxes. So I'm gonna use boxes. Perfect. Price bust through this zone. I'm gonna call the zone. Price bust through the zone. This is a higher high now. I called this trade, and I'm gonna be real with y'all. I called this trade immediately after this candle closed. Normally what I do is, once I see that 4 hour candle I want, I'll then go down to the 30 or the 15 and then enter. But this shit looks so sweet to me. I said, bro, I'm buying this now. This gonna at least go give me 60 pips. Right? So I had a higher high happen. Right? Hold on. Draw this up. Boom. And then I had a higher low happen. I knew my higher low was like solidified because I had the bullish engulfing right here. Let me zoom in. The engulfing candle signifies that the buyers are now back in control of the market. Right? Boom. Higher low, bullish engulfing. That's your reversal candle. You can use the bullish engulfing, or you can use the bullish and the bearish engulfings on any time frame, right? They mean the same stuff. The engulfing candle was a reversal candle. Facts. 1 minute, 5 minute, whatever. But on the 4 hour, I know that packs more punch. You get an engulfing on the 4 hour candle, bro, you lit. bro, you lit. Matter of fact, you can go ahead and just put that lot size in and just walk away for a day or two. Or if you just want to catch the next 4 hour candle. But I called that signal and signal drip on Monday or Tuesday once I saw that this candle closed. This candle closed, boom, we buying. Market execution. We're going to deal with this little bit of drawdown right here. But ultimately, we rising up. I know I'm at a higher low. I know it's an engulfing candle. If you like Fibonacci, this is even a, what this is. $61.8 perfect.
That's crazy, bro.
61.8 perfect, bro.
61.8 every time.
61.8. I'm gonna keep it real. 50 to 61.8. That's the sweet spot. That's them the sweet spots. Like now that I've been like,
And you,
go ahead.
So if when you're using a fib, it's breaking out of this structure, it's coming back down and touch the 61.8,
Yep.
and then once it touched, it's slingshot from there. We up.
So I'm waiting for the second confirmation. So when I'm seeing this live, I'm like, oh yeah, it's touching 61.8. I can't pull the trigger though until this candle get done forming. So when I'm seeing this candle was done forming, and I got the engulfing, this shit engulfed this candle and this candle. So I'm like, oh, and it actually found support sitting on top of the 61.8. Let me show you something even more crazy. Hold on. This was a previous resistance area.
Wow.
Previous resistance turns into support. That's your third confirmation.
Bro,
bro, we buying this. We buying this, bro. We buying this TP1, TP2. You know what I'm saying? And my take profit levels, bro, were based on the field. I just kept the field open. I just gave y'all the numbers from the 38.2 and the 23.6. Because I know that if it's gonna go up and make a higher high, it gotta hit those levels. So this gonna be take profit 1. If I'm buying from here, 38.2 gonna be take profit 1, 23.6 gonna be take profit 2. It gotta go up to negative 20.7. I mean negative 27 if it's gonna make a higher high. And as long, let me show y'all something else. It came up. I could have really just kept this up. And honestly, like that signal is really still valid. The signal from Monday still valid because the stop loss still ain't got hit. So you got lower high. A lot of people be like, oh shit, head and shoulders. Nah. I mean, yeah, you could have caught the sale down here, but as far as the bias of what you're looking for on the H4, it's still an uptrend. Because it came down to test this. It didn't break it. This your last higher low. It ain't get broke. Wow. I mean, boom, came down. Matter of fact, let's put this line right here now. Wick to wick. Look at that, bro. As long as that area don't get broken, this uptrend is still valid overall. Right? Boom. Price came down, tapped that. Boom. Can't break it though. As long as it doesn't break it. The wicks can wick below the lines all they want to. As long as my candles, bodies stay above the support, in this case, in this support area, I'm good. Like I'm good for I'm still good for buys. This still ain't hit my stop loss from the other day. And I wouldn't be surprised if tonight TP3 get hit. And that's going to be like 120 pips in 4 days. 3 days, because it was Monday. So
this up on the 4-hour AJ.
Oh, and before, hold on, I'm gonna answer your question, bro. And while that's happening, you probably would see your alligator curving. Like right now, the alligator is over the pink and over the blue. I am not looking to sell this pair because I know that the overall volume in this pair is bullish. But who said what? What? My bad, I ain't hear that. What was you saying, bro?
I said, so you just marked this up on the 4-hour and just held it ever since?
Yeah, so I do all my markups. I do my markups on the 4-hour. And I get I'm looking for structure and my bias based on the 4-hour. So I'm trying to see what trend I'm in based on the 4 hour. Then at that point, what I do is I go down to the 1 hour. I don't really mess with the 1 hour like that. But if the structure correlates with what I see on the 4 hour, boom, we solid. And then I go to the M30 and the M15, and I'm just waiting for the same concepts, just on lower time frames, just so I can enter. You know what I'm saying? Like right now, like this candle right here, this candle is very enticing. That's very enticing. And I swear to God, like a year ago, I would have bought this just because I wasn't as disciplined as I am now. And I was 2 years in a year ago, but I still would have bought it because I'm like, bro, I'm going to just at least catch 10, 15. That's cool. But if you're trying to like eliminate drawdown or like cut your drawdown like to the minimum, you want to wait for the retest. This right here on the 4 hour, but this is what this look like on the 15, bro. So you seeing this in price up here. Let's say all this wasn't even ready yet. You just saw that 4 hour candle that I just highlighted happen. I'm gonna black this out. Hold on, let me black this out. Boom. You see this, it's right here. You like, bro, GJ done went up 50 pips in an hour. You like, bro, I need that. That ain't wise. That ain't wise. That's not wise. On the 15, it's that high. It already broke. That's what I'm saying. If you see that price just broke resistance, like right here, that's a resistance area. That's a place where price came up, found the ceiling, and dropped. So that's a resistance area. Bro, if you get in right here, you can't get in right here. You don't know. Price always has to make structure. This right here is just consolidation. Price is hanging out at a high area. This is going to be the resistance area. I bet my last dollar. Price, hold on. Oh, I ain't gonna say that yet. I ain't gonna say I bet my last dollar. Hold on, let me pull fib out. Because that might just be a 23.6. Let's see. Nah, this is going to be resistance. Price gonna fall down and then pop up. That's what it has to do though. Price can't go up forever. It can't go down forever. If it's in an uptrend, even if it's on an uptrend, it got to retest. It got to. That's just the laws of trend and structure. So what you want to do, if you're going to look at GJ, you either going to be patient and wait for the correct setup, or, y'all see I got like 9 other pairs over here on my watch list. So if I don't want to wait on GJ, I'll just see what my other Jones is doing. What SPX, what she got going on. You know what I'm saying? And that's how I'm rocking. Did that make sense? Drop a 1 in the chat if that makes sense.
Yes, sir. Hey, yo, AJ, I've been trying to find an alligator video.
I got one on YouTube.
Yo, you regular? Because it say you don't have no content on there no more.
I'm gonna send it to you. I'm working on some stuff on my YouTube channel.
Okay, cool.
Who is this speaking?
It's Philly.
Yeah, bro. I'm about to send it to you now in private.
All right, cool. Appreciate it, fam.
Yeah, for sure. And even with that, bro.
Mm-hmm.
With the alligator.
Oh yeah, I ain't want to waste no time and ask you to repeat yourself since you had it recorded, but that's the only thing that I missed out on, really.
Okay, cool. So look, let's back test this area right here real quick. This little run that GJ did up.
Yeah, I don't even know the indicator, to be honest, bro.
Yeah, bro. So what you want to do, like, to put it on your chart, just go up here to Trade View, indicators and strategies. Bro, if you just go to the search bar, as soon as you type in ALL, it's gonna be the Williams alligator.
Okay.
You ain't gotta change no settings. Just use it how it is.
Oh, cool.
Yep. So the basic rules of the alligator, real quick. And it's super powerful when they first cross. Talk to him, Melissa. Straight up, game changer. When they first cross, bro, it's them crosses is lit, bro. Like, so matter of fact, hold on. Didn't even cross it, it retested. But we're gonna use this anyway. So the bruiser alligator is the green line is your trigger, or whatever you deem as your lips. The green, my green is my lips. So your lips are your triggers. So y'all can change these colors to whatever y'all want, but I still use the default colors. The lips are your trigger, bro. So once my green crosses over my pink, I'm like, oh yeah. Yeah, this is we lit. Once the green cross over my pink and my blue, confirmation. So if my green crosses above, like down here, right? Green was below my pink and my blue, but once green crossed above my pink and my blue, oh bro, we lit. Then what you see? Look at what you see also. Bullish engulfing candle.
That engulfing.
Man, come on now. Green over pink and blue, follow that bad boy up. So I'm gonna show you something. And the same thing vice versa with sales. So once green crosses below pink and below blue, you know you're selling, right?
Okay.
Boom. Now I'm gonna keep it real. It could really be this simple. If you just knew, all right, on the 4 hour, we just had a crossover. I just gotta wait for the 30 to do the same thing. Let's see what it look like on this highlighted box. Because the crosses are powerful. Like there's literally like I've been back testing, bro. If you just wait for the alligator to cross, like you don't, once it crosses, and the higher the time frame, the more respected the alligator is. Right? So the 4 hour alligator gonna be way more trustworthy, I should say, than the M5. Because the M5 and the M1, they break in structure 115,000 times a day, right? But if you see on the H4, oh shit, the alligator crossed over above the pink and the blue. Shit, all you gotta do is come down to the M30 or whatever time frame you want to do. If you match up what you know with structure and engulfing candles with the alligator cross, you can't lose. So if you see what I want. Let's go to N15 because I don't like that setup. That setup is okay, but it's not an engulfing candle. But it gives me a lot of exhaustion, and you got an alligator cross. So and I ain't gonna say get in on that candle because that's a lot of drawdown. So let me see what like on the N15. Let's see. I don't like drawdown at all, y'all. So I'll be trying to avoid this shit. Oh yeah, here we go. So N15. Right? Let me change the color of this. Now I know right here, I got a double bottom. I'm gonna keep it real. Structure ain't even broke yet. But since I know I got this double bottom, goes back to what I was telling Cordarius about risk to reward. I can really do, once I see this was a bullish variation too. I know some of y'all know what that is. That has the same effect as an engulfing candle, but the engulfing candle was just 2 candlesticks. And a variation situation can be like 3 or 4, right? So you got bearish candle, bullish candle, but it didn't engulf. But that next candle closed above that last bearish candle. So when you see stuff like that, it has the same effect as an engulfing candle, especially if you see it at a low. So we had a double bottom, had a low point, price came up, made a lower high, but we had an equal low. Price ain't, this was an area that it was struggling with. Boom. Wait on this candle to close. The alligator's gonna lag. So it's gonna follow the candles because it's based on volume, right? So once you see this candle close, in real time, this green crossed over that pink and that blue. Fam, you can enter that.
Word.
You know what I'm saying? So if you just know on the lower time frames, oh shit, all I gotta do is wait for the alligator to cross over the pink and the blue, bro, you lit. Like if you just know that alone, like you can win.
Okay.
Like even if you don't, like even if a new person don't know structure and all that shit engulfing candles, if they know, okay, on the 4 hour it's an uptrend or a downtrend. And on the 15 cross, I just had an alligator cross. They can buy or sell. Because I mean, you ain't got to get out until, all jokes aside, you ain't got to get out until that joint start crossing over. So you still would have had 20 pips in the bag before it crossed down. Right? Boom. As soon as that joint crossed back over, bro, 20 more pips. Crossover again. And I don't trade like this, but I'm just showing you like, hold on, where's the crossover? Yeah, right here, engulfing candle. And this one would have been nasty. Hold on 1 second. This would have been nasty right here. And you know on the higher time frame, you in an uptrend. That's why I'm just buying. Because the higher time frame, the H4 telling me it's an uptrend. Yeah, bro. Crossover right here, engulfing candle. Got my oh no, right here. Yeah, green over pink.
So that green, so those indicators, that's a way for price to come back down and touch it. As long as that green thing is over that pink and blue, you in there.
Yeah, and so it's good for exits too, bro. So like the reason I can hold shit longer now is because I know, like I got two ways I look at it. So if I would have got in over here after this cross, I would have set in max 9 pips drawdown to gain shit. This is about 100, damn near 100. So you could close right here if you want to, and honestly, I probably would have. Like I probably would took 24 because it crossed below my pink. But what I'm noticing, bro, the longer I use the alligator, if that shit don't cross below my blue, I can hold it a little bit longer from a technical aspect. That's why I told y'all technical is easy. What be fucking y'all up is in y'all head. But from a technical standpoint, if you look, bro, even when it crossed below the pink, it didn't cross below the blue. It retested the blue, if you will, and then it crossed above the pink again. Wow. So with that being said, oh God, I lost my space. Hold on, let me get back to where we was at. There we go. So we oh, there we go. A lot of times what I do now, bro, if I get in at an alligator cross, bro, I probably ain't getting out. Like if I get out, if I put all my stuff that I know together, structure, bullish engulfing, alligator, bro, if I get in over here, bro, I'm gonna try my hardest to catch as much as this, because it until it crosses under the blue, I'm safe. So even if I gotta get them back 20 pips, I ain't get the whole 100, bro, I'm cool with 78 or 77.
True.
So, you know, you can exit when it crosses back under the pink and the blue. You can enter when it crosses above, you can exit when it get out, and vice versa for sales. But I go in more in depth on it on the YouTube video. I'm gonna send it to you.
I appreciate that right there.
For sure. Anybody got any more questions?
When does the 5 minute and 1 minute markup come in? Basically when you're just trying to get in where price action.
All right. So that to answer your question, that's based on the trader. The entry time frame is based on the trader. All of these concepts apply to whatever time frame. Like even if you was like a person with a whole bunch of money and you say I'm a base my trading based on the weekly and I'm gonna enter on the 4 hour, because it's people that do that. Like it's people that treat the 4 hour like the 5 minute, but they got a lot of bread because they can sit through more drawdown, right? But for the people that want to trade like 5 minute, 1 minute, it's the same stuff. So if you trying to trade GJ right now, honestly, if you really want to trade the 1 minute and the 5, especially the 1 minute, if you want to trade the 1 minute, bro, you ain't even really gotta go to the 4 hour first. You want to trade the 1 minute, you straight scalping. So you can start at the 30 minute. But you gotta have a bias. You gotta have a biased time frame. You gotta have a big brother. Right? The biased time frame is the big brother. So my big brother, no doubt, Khalil, hit me up. If you need those YouTube videos, Khalil, just hit me with a private message on Telegram or whatever, and I'll send them to you because I got to send Philly the alligator jump. But yeah, you got to have a big brother time frame. You got to have a higher time frame to, okay, this is direction this is going in, right? So if I was wanting to trade on the 5 minute, right, I still got to look for structure. This right here was my last structure area. I don't care. I don't really care about none of this. Like, I care about current price action. That's what's important, right? It's my little resistance line, right? Also, y'all make sure y'all color code in y'all charts so y'all know what line mean what. This is at a high, right? I know I got a broken high right here, and right now price is consolidating. This the 30-minute time frame, but this shit ain't moved. This shit ain't really moved in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's been like 6, 7 hours since it's really had any movement. So on the 1 minute, let's say you wanted to scalp and you wanted to sell it. I'll wait for the buy setup, but I know some people gonna want to get the. This is very noisy. Let me go to the 5 minute first. Jesus. Hey, shout out to the people that know how to trade in one. I'm 3 years in and I can't fade it. I ain't gonna lie.
I just got on it, bro. It's pretty smooth.
Okay. Y'all hard. Y'all nice with it. So look, you got stuff like this. This wouldn't be a clear setup. This is pure consolidation. I'm gonna try to find a good 5 minute setup for you. Hold on. But just look at this though. There's no clear direction. We got highs, lower lows, equal highs, higher lows. It's not moving in a trending area. So if you wanted to sell this, like if you want to get on that short-term move, because you can sell it and make money, it's just gonna be a short-term move. But if you want to get on that short-term move, what you could do is, let me get control of my chart. Okay, boom. What you could do is this. That line I just drew right here, this the support area line. And honestly, I can move this up about right here. If you was gonna set, because it's consolidated and it's still good for uptrend, but if you wanted to sell it down, you would wait for this to break. You wait for this area to break. Slight little retest. It don't gotta always get back to line. Wait for a retest, sell it down, because it's gonna come down. And if you wanted to buy it, it's in a range. So you waiting for a breakout. You wait for this to break, this area, retest. Let me draw it out. Boom. Then I buy it right here for the shot up. I think this is more likely to happen though. Just because on the M30, I know I'm at a higher high. I think that's what's gonna happen. But we'll see. I don't try to predict. Y'all gonna learn, like, don't try to predict what's gonna happen. Just react to what you see. That's what people mess up. They're like, it's high. Just wait. Price gonna show you. Sometimes you just gotta be patient. If price break this area right here, I know That price has to retest at some point. Once it does that and I get that engulfing in a sales situation, I know that's bearish. Once I get that engulfing, that's my confirmation. So now I'm trading what I see, not what I think. And that's what you want to do. Trade what you see, not what you think. Hopefully that answered bro question.
Definitely did.
For sure. So yeah, if you trading 5 minute, if you trading a 5 minute, you want to have that big brother. You know what I'm saying? Don't go straight to the 5 minute. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, if entering on the 5 minute, if that's your thing, that's cool. But make sure you analyze it on this the key. This the key, y'all. If you like entering on the M5 or the M1, you have to. Hey, hold on. They loud. Hold on, wait a minute. Who is that? Good. Okay, they muted. Bad. If you want to enter on a time frame, y'all, you have to pick a time frame that's at least two. What's the word? Two. All right, hold on. Let me type this out. If I type it out, the words will come out. So these are like the main Forex like time frames.
I think when you join, you ain't mute your line.
No. Hold on 1 second. Hold on. Let me mute everybody. Hold on. Yeah. So these are the main Forex time frames, right? M1. Come on now. M1, M5, M15, M30, H1, H4. These are mine. Some people use the daily. If you need that extra bias confirmation, I guess, whatever. The daily, I mean, the higher the time frame, the truer the picture. But for the most part, from H4 up or H4 down, those are the main time frames. If you like to trade on these two, you need to at least be analyzing on the 30 and the H1. Straight up. So you don't need to go straight down here first. Y'all gonna have headaches. But if you know, okay, price is bullish on the H1, I'm looking for a bullish setup on the M5. That's just how the game go. Or the M30. If price is bearish on the M30, I need a bearish setup on the M5 or the M1. Drop a 1 in the chat if that makes sense. Cool. So that's it. So I mean, you know, the same concepts apply. Y'all with any time frame. I just prefer, that's just my preference. My preference is to enter on the M15 and the M30. That's just me. I can see structure better on those time frames. And trading is all about what you can see. It's about what you can see, not what I can see, not what whoever else can see. It's about what you can see. And if you can see structure and all that clearer on the M5, or you like trading that time frame because you like getting your money faster, do that. But you gotta have that big brother time frame to analyze off of. You just want to use your entry time frame to make sure that your structure line up with what you see on the bigger time frame. That's really that simple. I want to leave y'all with something. I know everybody been super lit about HFX. That's like the trendy thing right now. And I'm learning that. So next Thursday, hopefully I have I'm working on a strategy right now. But I'm still demoing. Like I'm still demoing. HFX a different ball game. You know what I'm saying? But with that being said, for those who haven't got started yet, HFX, I don't know if y'all bought the academy or whatever. HFX is super dope. This shit is like regular Forex on steroids. I swear to God. Now on HFX though, I do trade the M1. I do trade the M1 on HFX, and that shit is crazy. But this is the broker I've been using. So if y'all wanna, for whoever's diving in the HFX, if y'all wanna holler at Pocket Option, I'm endorsing them. You can go on there and set up a demo account for free. It's super easy. You ain't gotta put in your ID, all that extra stuff. They literally, once you go to pocketoption.com, they ask you from the jump if you want a demo, I think. Yeah, they ain't gonna let me go all the way back because I'm logged in, but
I tried that HFX, man. I done blew my account like 8 times.
hey, so see, this is what I'm saying. I'm gonna tell you, it's the same thing with Forex, bro. You gotta understand. This is even more lit, like in terms of you gotta use risk management, right? But it's even more lit, bro, because like, especially if you learn the 1 minute. I told myself, AJ, if you get the 1 minute down on HFX, like you literally get a payout after the minute is over if you trade in 1 minute trades. Like you literally get paid. Like you don't gotta wait for the take profit to get hit. Like you get paid after the time limit. So I was like, hold on. So if I apply my same risk management rules to HFX, like I can do 101 trades based on the strategy that I'm working on now. I can do 101 trades in a day if I just sit in front of my laptop. And it's gonna take me about 2-3 hours to get it done, but that ain't nothing. I can do 101 trades a day, and if I use proper risk management, my 5%, my 10%, because if you use risk management, you're not gonna blow your account. You got to treat it like Forex. You got to treat it just like Forex, bro. The only thing is, I don't have an app to calculate, so y'all probably gonna have to do some math. Cause I've been saying this little demo I got, I started it today with like $1,000. It's at 1470 now, and I started this today.
It's all a one-on-one risk though, right?
Well, this is how I'm doing it. I started this account with $1,000. I said, all right, I'm gonna do all M1, and I'm gonna trade 10% of my account on each one. I know I gotta be wrong 10 times in a row to blow it. So let's see how this strategy works. So what I've been doing is 10% of 1,000 is 100. I come down here. Oh, let me move something to the side real quick. Damn. Hold on. Okay, there we go. Boom. When I first started this account, my trade amount, $100. Right? I'll do in my call and my put, whatever it was. And that's how I'm doing it. Because you know if it's $100, if you trade in, let's say I was trading this USD RUB, 80%. I'm risking 100. I'm risking 10% of my account. Let's say you was risking 5%, because that's really what the move is. Let's say you're risking 50. 5% of 1,000, right? You trade USD RUB, put in a call. If it hit, you making what, 50 plus 80%, which is, so you making 90. You're only losing 50. So it's really, bro, to keep it real, it's really like 4 to 1.
Oh, so that percentage is what you gain on top of the
yeah,
win.
what you gain, exactly, what you gain on top of what you, yep.
Oh,
So it's really, bro, it's really automatically giving you good risk to reward. All you gotta do is use good risk management. Bro, if you right, you get 90. And if you lose, bro, that's a risk and reward. Like if you lose, I only lose 50, but if I win, I get 90. Oh, we lit. We lit. Bro, if you do 10 of those, bro, if you,
it was 94%.
sometimes they go up and down throughout the day. But this is what I'm saying, and this just clicked in my head. Bro, if you get 10 of those right in a day, and you just risk 5, if you have $1,000 in your binary account and you risk 5%, and you win 10 of those a day, in a day, if you get an M1 strategy down and you win 10 trades in a row, it takes you 30 minutes maybe, I don't know. But if you win 10 trades, bro, I make $900 a day. What?
That's insane, bro.
Bro, I'm finna go off. Bro, I'm finna go crazy, bro. I swear, I'm finna go in. What? Man, hey, look. I'm gonna work on it though. Hopefully next Thursday I got this strategy down. Because if I get this strategy down, y'all know y'all gonna eat. Because I'm gonna come in here. And Ty taught something Tuesday. So if y'all ain't got Ty YouTube video, y'all need to holler at her. Because I'm finna, I don't know HFX like I do Forex. So I'm gonna go holler at Ty and get some of this sauce. So I can bring in what I know already, plus what she know. I'm bringing that right back to y'all on next Thursday, just in case y'all don't get with her on next Tuesday. If y'all miss her Tuesday, I'm gonna come back with the same thing on Thursday, straight up. It's over, bro. Y'all don't need it. If y'all ain't talk, like I know everybody don't want to build a business, but yo, this shit, we got some shit over here. Like, it's crazy. But yeah, use proper risk management, bro. Because, bro, if you risk 5%, let's say you had $500 in your account, and you say, all right, I say I'm gonna risk 10%. I'm gonna up the ante. I'm gonna risk 50. I'm gonna risk $50 per binary per HFX trade. Let's say that same trade you seen was 80% payout. You know, if you risk 50, you gonna get 90. You can get 90. So if you win. Yeah, if you win 5 trades, bro, that's $450 on top of your your account.
Crazy.
So you almost doubled your account off 5 trades that took maybe 30 minutes, and you only risk 5%.
Ain't that
It's impossible in Forex almost. Well, it's not impossible. It's hard,
bro. And that's what I'm saying. Like, bro, as long as y'all use risk management compound, you ain't gotta go for the big jump. Like, you ain't gotta go for the, like, oh, I got 500 in. Shit, I'm putting 300 on it. Nah, just stay consistent and play the probabilities. You know what I'm saying? Like, because what's gonna happen is you got 500 in your account. You say, fuck it, I'm going 250, 300. And it's binary. I'm brand new to binary. So all I know is what I know a little bit about the little strategy that I got, and I know risk management. I know at the end of the day, that's what's gonna be that's gonna save my account. That's gonna save my account, right? I can't go in 500 and I'm brand new to this. I'm betting 300 on 500, and then I lose and I'm down to 200. You're gonna be sick. But if you only risk 50 or 25 and you just win, let's say you go 10 and 5. Let's say you go 10 and 5 today, and you make $90 because it's an 80% payout. You make $90. 90 times 10, 900. You lost 5, so you still made $450. No, I'm lying, because you only lost $50. So you really made $675 or $650.
That's crazy, man.
And you went 10 and 5. So it's like, bro, like binary, now that I'm talking through it, it's like automatic risk to reward.
It's like the new slot machine.
Come on, bro. So you mean to tell me if I get one strategy down, I can sit in front of my laptop. Don't let me get an M1 down, because that's what I'm working
slot
on.
Machine, like all day long.
I'm treating HFX like this is my everyday. This is my everyday. This really like, you know, it's really like drug money. Like this really like drug money, like legal drug money. Bro. This like HFX gonna be legal drug money. I'm just saying, really it's gonna be fast. I'm being real. If you get an M1 binary signal strategy down, bro, you lit. And then you can treat your Forex account like, you know, now you can really be patient.
On it, for real.
Can't lose, bro. Y'all got any more questions though? Y'all got me lit on here.
The HFS.
You said what, bro?
New side chick.
Bro,
HFS gonna be new side chick.
She's gonna be the wife.
She might be my main. She might be my main. You playing? You playing? I might try to get in the HFX Academy as an educator now. I've been talking about it. I'm like, bro, I might just do HFX, bro. This is unbelievable, bro. Like, I'm gonna make what I put in
like
plus a percentage, and if I lose, I only lose what I traded, bro. What?
You can't argue with that, bro.
Not at all,
bro.
You can't argue with that.
bro, it's over.
I didn't know it worked like that. I thought it was a 1-on-1.
Nah, bro. If you trade, bro, anything, yeah, bro, everything is literally over 1-of-1. Even Bitcoin. Bitcoin 40% payout. So if you trade,
I can't believe this is legal.
Bro, it's crazy. If you put a call in for Bitcoin, $50, you still gonna make 70 at 40%.
So you can really win 40% of their trades and still be profitable. That's insane.
That's crazy. So I say all this to say, AJ in the lab this weekend, trying to get this HFX down. I literally just started last week. And yeah, bro, this account right here, bro, I dead ass started this account with $1,000 today. And I've only did like 10, like maybe 7 or 8 trades.
I'll probably do like 100 of those, man.
They got me working.
It only take a minute.
I'm home too. It's over with.
Bro, I did 7 trades, bro. I did 7 trades, bro.
Did you look at it? Did you watch a certain educator? First, or did you just use what you already?
Nah, I went in the academy, and they was talking about. So I use Barringer bands, and I'm gonna show y'all my setup real quick.
Damn, you use Barringer bands,
bro. Philly, you know I don't like indicators, bro. Bro, you know, bro. Listen, bro. I don't like indicators. I like my charts to either be nude or with an alligator on.
You got you.
You know what I'm saying? But when I was going through HFX Academy, I'm brand new to this, so I gotta be coachable. I gotta be teachable. They was talking about Barringer bands and RSIs and stochastic. I'm like, man, that shit is a lot, bro. I don't come from that.
That RSI is where it's at, bro.
But, bro, them RSI crossovers, stochastic crossovers.
Yeah.
That's what I've been using. And Barringer bands. I ain't gonna go into it tonight because I'm still ironing this shit out. But yeah, bro. We're gonna definitely get to work. I ain't even see this. Yeah, bro.
You're gonna need to take that Jaguar hat off too, though.
Hey, look. This is just for the look. I'm a Panther fan, bro. I'm a North Carolina. I'm a North Carolina baby.
You got the wrong cat on there, bro.
Who? You said I got the wrong cat on? I know. I gotta have a Panther on this. But shout out to the Jags though. But yeah, I'm gonna work on it though for sure. I'm hopefully next week I'll be able to teach y'all a little something. I ain't gonna go too crazy on it, but if y'all ain't got the HFX Academy, if y'all got the Platinum Pack, just keep it real. It's only $40 to upgrade. So, and that $40 is gonna be worth it. I'm endorsing that off the rip. Broncos fan, see, he about to get booted off the call.
Yeah.
See, that shit hurt my feelings. That's crazy, bro. Why you tell me that, Khalil? Like we was getting cool too. I felt the vibe, and we ain't even talked to each other. We just been typing. He said he a Broncos fan. Good gracious. All right, we're gonna move on from that. Okay, I feel
got a lot of people.
Browns, Kyle.
Good gracious, cuz say a Broncos fan. Shout out to all my Panther fans on the call.
You saying say Cowboys?
Who a Cowboys fan?
I hope nobody on here.
Who a Cowboys fan on here?
Cut it.
You like no better. It's okay.
Good.
Watch your mouth.
Yo, I'm gonna keep my comments to myself. Good, great, man. Listen,
Troy Aikman, you know what I'm saying?
And you a Cowboys fan?
Yeah.
Alyssa from Connecticut, so that don't shock me.
But I'm not from North Carolina, so.
Nah, I feel you. Good gracious. My daddy like the Cowboys. I can't rock. My father's a Cowboy fan. I don't get it. Well, I do get it because that was that era back in the day. But that was the era though. That was the era. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Cowboys, 49ers. You know what I'm saying? All of that. What was I about to say to y'all? Anybody got any more questions though? Brent? Ooh. Nah, Khalil, he from Ohio though.
Yeah, you get.
Yeah, you get a pass, bro. That's real. If you rocking with your hometown team, it don't matter how they rocking. I'm rocking with you. That's respect. You know what I'm saying? If you a Browns fan, you from Ohio, I get it. If you would have said the Bengals, I would have got it. You know what I'm saying? Anybody got any more questions? If not, Philly, Khalil, I'ma shoot you the alligator vid, and Khalil, I'ma shoot you the 3 trade trainers from June. No problem, Ebony. No problem. And if y'all ain't got no more questions, I mean, drop some ones if y'all got some value tonight. If I did what I was supposed to do tonight, because I gotta report back to Melo and let him know I did my thing. So if y'all got value tonight, drop some ones in the chat. Okay, cool. I did my job. Yeah. If ain't no more questions, I'm gonna let y'all get on with y'all night. If y'all trading, good luck to y'all. Use proper risk management.
Hey, yo.
What's popping?
So y'all, since we talking about HFX, Brittany Hill is, I think, going to be dropping a link, a Zoom meeting link. She got the HFS package, and they're going to be doing a trade training at 12. So y'all be on the lookout for that link in the Telegram group.
Good look, bro.
All right,
I'm gonna jump on. Yeah, I'm gonna jump on that for sure. Appreciate you, Philly. Yeah, y'all look out for that. And yeah, man, use proper risk management when you're trading. 5 to 10% of your account. 10% is very aggressive, but I know people want the bag. So I'm gonna be realistic. A lot of people gonna say 1%. I risk a little bit more than 1%. But yeah, use risk management. I might drop a signal tonight if I see something I like. Other than that, y'all have a good night, man, and I'm gonna holler at y'all.
Peace.
No doubt. Y'all have a good night.